Bulls are in control across most markets today. Let us look at where the momentum is strongest. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete global indices roundup for July 5th. Global equities are pushing higher. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Let us go region by region across the major global indices. Starting with the Americas session. S&P 500 is little changed, hovering near $7,483.24. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. NASDAQ 100 dropped sharply -1.61% to $29,329. Equity markets are responding to reports that RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Dow Jones is up +1.14%, trading at $52,900. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Starting with the Europe session. DAX edged higher +0.78% to $25,779. The move follows reports that stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East. FTSE 100 ticked up +0.25% to $10,679. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Starting with the Asia session. Nikkei 225 edged higher +1.47% to $69,744. Currency markets are reacting to European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. Hang Seng is up +1.28%, trading at $23,350. Traders are reacting to news that BHP Group, ASX, BHP. Why are metal and mining stocks back in focus? Calkine Media. Kospi surged +5.76% to $8,088.34 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Nifty 50 ticked up +0.39% to $24,271. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. Sensex is trading higher by +0.34% at $77,764. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. ASX 200 edged higher +1.37% to $8,844.40. Traders are reacting to news that BHP Group, ASX, BHP. Why are metal and mining stocks back in focus? Calkine Media. Now, a look at some of India's most active stocks in the news today. Bajaj Finance edged higher +1.28% to 1,031.40 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Consumer durable financing and personal loans are growing, but the market is watching credit quality in a slower growth environment. The EMI card business and co-branded credit card partnerships are the emerging fee income drivers. Watch for any commentary on the Q-on-Q credit cost trend. ICICI Bank is trading higher by +0.81%, at 1,411.40 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Fee income growth from digital transactions and credit card spends is compounding well above the loan book growth rate. The iMobile app engagement data is a leading indicator of cross-sell success. Any commentary on the unsecured loan book quality would be closely watched as consumer leverage in India builds. Now let us look at what is driving these moves at the macro level. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. And looking at how some of the biggest global names are trading today. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged plus 8.22% to $309,500. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. HBM3 yield rates for AI training chips are the most critical near-term metric. Any positive update would drive a meaningful earnings upgrade cycle. The memory upcycle is intact, but Samsung's foundry losses are a drag. A recovery in smartphone DRAM pricing would add a second earnings lever. Northrop Grumman made a dramatic move today, surged plus 5.59% to $549.01. Equity markets are responding to reports that Northrop Grumman, NOC, has a long-cycle deterrence and mission systems engine bigger than a budget debate. Alpha Street. Government IT and classified programs provide stable base earnings that are often underappreciated. The next intercontinental ballistic missile contract is a potential large upside catalyst. Watch for any DoD budget line item commentary on space programs. Meta made a dramatic move today, plunged minus 4.90% to $582.90. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta's next RE bet has one major catch for investors, Yahoo Finance Singapore. WhatsApp monetization is the next major revenue unlock, still largely untapped outside of India's business messaging push. AI infrastructure spending is heavy, but the ROI is visible in ad performance metrics. Any positive user growth data from emerging markets would be a catalyst. Let us give you our near-term view on the Kospi. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $8,573.64 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical, always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. To summarize, 10 indices in the green, 2 in the red today. Risk-on conditions dominate the global equity landscape. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. Every morning, before markets open, we break down exactly what is moving and why. If you want that edge every day, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If today's analysis was useful, a like is the best way to support the channel. We genuinely appreciate every single one. We read every comment. Drop your view below. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your global indices roundup from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily updates across every major market.